Sorry, Mick. Can't have that lot in here. It's against the rules.
Oh, this is not right. Come on, son, you know. I gotta take you home. Wait. Come on. You okay? Oh, great. Now look what happened. Oh, hey, everything's great, officer. Everything's fine.
What are you doing? Stop. Stop right there. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. We're just walking home.
I got a report of a kid in the bar.
He wasn't in the bar.
You've been drinking. I heard you drinking. Yeah.
That's just candy.
That's illegal. This is motion. Turn up again, my back.
Oh, that's not right. Don't touch it.
All right.
How dare you
Come on. Let's go home.
First time I've ever been arrested.
Oh, stop or I'll shoot.
Getting away. Oh, he shot us. Yep. Face him.
Oh, that hurts. Don't make me run no more.
Let go. This is not right. I gotta get out. Son, don't drink no more.